Should we begin?
Yes.
Hello friends, today we are discussing on very important topic, which life is best. Childhood. Childhood means 1 to 12. Teenage. Teenage means 13 to 19. Adulthood has a 3 stages: early adulthood, middle adulthood, later adulthood. Early adulthood 22 to 34, middle adult 35 to 44, and later adulthood 45 65 or 65, and later on last remain older. 65 and above is a older age. We are too much eager to discuss on the topic, which is the best life: childhood, teenage, adulthood, or old age. Who one want to put their point before it? Please put it.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. I think being an adulthood is the best. As in the adulthood, we are living our life means independently. As we can earn the money, we can get the job, we can start our own business. It's the main point, and how to live the life we understand in that age. And most important thing that yeah, there are many advantages and disadvantages of the adulthood also, but the which is the most important thing which is that we have the freedom. What we want to do, we can do.
Yes, ma'am. And as per my thinking, teenager is the best age because from the teenager we started blossom to be the people in the society, and from it's a teenager has teenager do not have any type of responsibility, and they can live their life with the joy and happiness.
Ma'am, I am totally agree with you. But in the adulthood, there are so many problems. If we think positive, there are so many positive points also, and if we think negative, there are negative points also. But we are talking here the happy life, the best life. As per my thinking, and as per the opinion, as per my opinion, that teenagehood is the best because there is somehow risk and somehow enjoy. There is risk in last and there is enjoy in starting. And in the teenagehood, we can learn the thing. We experience so many things because in childhood our memory is been grow up not capturing the things, but at the teenagehood our memory started to capturing the things, or we are experiencing in teenagehood. We are learning the things in the college school, and we are learning faster because in adulthood our memories totally grow up. And the teenagehood our memory is capturing the things because you if you want to cry, you can if you are sad, you want to be happy, then you may remember your teenagehood things, then you may happy. But in adulthood your incident happened but you can't remember it because there is teenage, because that is the because that is the adulthood. You are totally grown up.
As we discuss here on topic childhood, teenage, adulthood, and old age. If you think about the childhood has 2 stages: infancy, when you born, later on you crawl, okay, you walk on roll. In your infancy, when you are so small, you do not speak single word. Your parent teach you how to speak, but whatever you want, you get. If you cry and you demand something to your parent, they instantly take action over it and give you. There is no tension. If somebody abuse you, you also abuse him. After 10 minutes, after 1 day, you forget it all and once again go to play with him or her. Means there is no ego, there is no position, there is no ambition, there is no any different kind of thinking. Only childhood you enjoy your life. Only you have little bit tension. Later childhood, when you enter in first standard, your parent impose you for studying, but it's your own interest. If you want to do study, you can do study. If you cry and you don't want to do study, you don't do study. Your father say you, I give you chocolate, please do study. Your father indulge you for something else. Okay, and there is no any ambition in your mind. You enjoy the life. When you feel cry, you cry. When you feel I would like to laugh, you laugh. When you feel I would like to shout, you shout. Means whatever you feel, you can do it. Because everybody say बच्चा है, don't take load. बच्चा है, don't take load. If you abuse anybody, that person do not take tension of you because he knows you are a child. Okay, means there is no tension, there is no responsibility, there is no expectation from you, there is no ambition and nothing with you. Only you enjoy your life till 12 age. Okay, later before childhood you enjoy absolutely. Okay, see my friend, struggle is forever in life. As you are so small, you begin to crawl. It is a struggle for you. Later on, you begin to speak some word. Father, mother teach you how to speak little bit your language. Then they have some punishment to you if you don't write Marathi properly. Your father say you don't write Marathi, you don't write Hindi, you don't know avocado. Some minor tension may be on you, but it is not a tension. It's a procedure of life. So childhood is very good life.
So I am somehow agree with you. But in the childhood, we don't use our mind. We follow only the parents' mind. Means example that our children is there. He is from means he is 9 year old. His father said bring a pen. Then he will bring only pen. But that pen, in the pen the ink is not there. So he will not bring the ink or fill up the ink. He only will bring the pen. Means that is the order of follow it, but don't using his mind. But a teenagehood children is there. He's 14 year old. His father said that bring that pen, bring the pen, bring the pen from my office. So he will bring the pen and he will check the pen also, and he will find that in the pen the ink is not there. So he will fill up the ink and then come. Means in the teenagehood we use our mind and parent. We use our mind in things. We use somehow our minds and somehow parents.
As you sat here before me, you belong to teenage. Now ambitious things are jumping in your mind. Time to time you feel I have to be something different in my life. You want to show your talent before public. You want to show I am something, I am different than anything. I can do something better. I have some quality, I have some ability. Means as you grow and enter in teenage, automatically hormonal changes occurs in your body, and not only in body but also in your mind get changed, and thinking power get changed, emotionality in more extent you find in you. So many changes occur in your teenage. Okay, and it is a crucial time period in your life. This time period is nothing but the foundation of your life. So teenage is also one of the crucial time period in entire life.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you, and also I think in the teenage it is the most important. But many of the time, what happened? The teenagers are not getting the worth as the adult are getting. Means the parents are saying that you are not, you are the worthless, you are the useless, you can't do anything. But as the child grows, means after the 18, many of the child completed the 18 in the 12th standard. So after the 12th standard, he recognized that no, I have something worth. I can do what I want to do. I have the goals. I have to decide my goal and I can complete it. Means he start loving himself, and the self-loving and the self-acceptance becomes the first step of the success. I think so.
Yeah, ma'am.
As per my thinking, yes, you told that we become mature in the teenagers. Yes, it is right, and as we listened the thought that so failure is the stepping stone of success. That means it's same related to our life. That means teenager is the stepping stone toward the adult age. Means whatever we are thinking or whatever we are doing in our teenager age, that is beneficial for our future, means adult age. whatever we are studying, whatever we are doing with our mind, or whatever we are thinking, that is helpful for our adult age.
Actually, if you think about entire life has 7 stages. One is infancy, means before childhood. As you born, you come on this earth. You are nothing but the empty box, and your parents feel something in your mind, in your box, and whatever they teach you, whatever you gain from them, you just begin to believe on it, and you try to do such a thing. Okay, your father say he is a mama. Say mama, say mama, mama. Then you say mama. Then you say kaka. Then it is a water. Then you say water. In such a way, your life procedure begin. Okay, as you are 5 or 6 year old, you can speak little good Marathi, good Hindi, good your mother tongue. You can speak nicely because your parents speak. Then, as you enter in first standard, first time in your life, your father punish you or impose some work. Do the homework, do the study. Okay, before it, as you cry, they indulge you. They provide all the facility to you. And you don't know about your household condition. You are poor, you are rich. You don't know about it. You just enjoy the life. You cry, you laugh, you play, you go outside, you abuse. Whatever you feel, you are honest with your feeling. Any child honest with his feeling. Whatever he feel, he express. He does not have any sense of ambitiousness. He is an innocent person. Childhood, you are so innocent. But after 6 or 7 years, means it is early childhood. Infancy time period to early childhood. Later childhood means 6 to 12. You have some feeling of selfness. Father, I want to do this. I want bicycle. Please give me bicycle. Otherwise, he cries. Then father say, he is my son. I have to buy bicycle for him. Means such kind of hattipana, arises in you. Are you getting my point? Then you are a 12-year-old, 12 and 13. These are the period of entering in teenage, adolescence. As you enter in your teenage, you think about your life. You begin to think little bit about your life. You get some sense of your family background. You feel I am a poor. You feel I am a rich. Whatever it may be, you feel so.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you. I think in the childhood, the child is innocent. As he start learning with the parents, he is doing the mimicry, and as he in the childhood he don't understand what he does not understand what he want to do. But as he entered in the teenage, means from the first standard, we can take he start thinking little bit.
See, my friend, when you are a child, you think so. When I grow, then I will enjoy the life because I am so small. So anybody can beat me. So I can't enjoy properly. I am so small. So my elder friend can't give me chance to play. So I can't get enjoy in game. So when I become elder, I will grow. I will definitely enjoy the life. But when you become elder, teenager, then you think my parent do not listen me. They impose their thoughts on me. They discipline me. They don't permit me to go outside the home. They don't permit to go for roaming. So when I become adulthood, when I become 21, 22-year old and I will earn money, then I will enjoy the life. Then you grow up, you become a 20, 24. Then you think, I do not have career, I do not have good job, I do not have money, I do not have bike, I do not have good salary. When I will get career, I will get money, salary, all these things, then I will enjoy the life. Then you get that thing also. Then you think, no, it is not sufficient for me. I do not have a house. I want to build my house. Later on, I will enjoy my life. Then you build your house. Then again you feel it is not sufficient. I want to marry. I will have wife and son and daughter. Then I will enjoy my life. That will also completed. Even you feel I do not enjoy until properly. Then you think when my son, daughter grow, they will take good education, they will get good job, good salary. Then I will enjoy my life because I will free from all responsibility. No one responsibility will be on my shoulder, then I will definitely enjoy my life. But later on that happen, you become a 45, 55-year old and some problem arises in your body. There may be problem of asthma, dama, any kind of disease. Then you think, as I cure my disease, I will enjoy my life. And in such a way, you will make an end of your life. But you do not live your life happily and enjoyfully. So actually, it's depend on your mentality. If you are so much enthusiastic, so much positive, and you have a concept of how to live life, art of living, then you can enjoy any age of your life. But you can enjoy your work. You as you enjoy your cricket, same thing. If you are studying, you have to enjoy your study. If you are delivering speech on the stage, you enjoy your speech. If you are listening anybody else, you enjoy his listening. Miss, if you are eating food, enjoy eating food. It's nothing but your attitude, your mentality, your approach of your life. So don't think so, after some day I will enjoy my life. Present moment is a real moment of your life. So actually, as per my point of view, there is no matter, you may be childhood, you may be teenager, you may be adulthood, you may be older. It's a, if you think about the happiness, best life comes from your attitude. Best life comes from your positive approach, your way of thinking, your way of watching world, observing situation, thinking positive about your life. Okay, there is no matter of which is the best life. Best life is forever, every moment, and bad life is every moment if you are negative. So after all, it's your approach about your life. That is my thinking. Who would like to speak some point over it? Do speak.
Yes, sir, I am totally agree with you what you spoke. And before some time, sir sir put some point on the adult son. On that name, I miss on that word. I recognize miss one poem in my mind. So I think when a child realizes that all the adults are imperfect, he becomes the adult son. When he forgives them, he becomes the adult, and when he forgives himself, he becomes the wise. Okay, as in the childhood, a child has the ability to make lots of friends, because the friend is his friend is necessary to share each and everything. We spoke lots of points, but we forgot to our friend. I think so. So the in the child, as he is innocent, he is making the lots of friends. As he is entering the teenager, he's meeting with the different kinds of the people which he is not met. They are which he never met before. They are eating together and they are enjoying the life. As some of the people are some of them also, and we can also sometimes betray any friend, and we are only pretending that we are your close friend. This is the thing is happening only in this the teenage. But as we entered in the adulthood, we understand that no, he is not that kind of person. He is the good, and we recognize the friend what in which kind we want.
Correct. You spoke very nicely. Actually, as we are so small, we are a child, we are so innocent. So we do not have any negative feeling about anybody else. We do not have competitive nature. We are just speak clearly. We don't keep in mind any wrong thing about anybody else. We do not have point of jealousy also. We are just a player, and we are playing the game in a childhood. But as we become adolescents, so many changes occur in us, and some jealousy, some competition, some negative feeling about our self personality, about any other person, or we feel we are poor, my friend is so rich, I am so poor, he got everything from his father. Suppose your friend purchased bike and you do not have condition to purchase it, then you feel bad. You go by bicycle, he goes by bike. So as you do not speak proper Marathi on the stage or Hindi English on the stage. Your friends speak very nice Hindi English Marathi. You feel jealous about him. So it happens in adolescence age, means 16, 13 to 19. Means as you enter in the adulthood age, mostly it happens with you because you try to show your position, you try to show your talent, you try to show your power. Means you become ambitious to acquire often anything new. Understood? And when you become a adulthood, then you think now I am a mature person, I can understand everything, I can live my life properly. Then also feeling arises in your mind, my friend who is belongs to my age, he build building, I do not build. He got a good job, I do not get good job. Means he is a very talented person. So many people take his name. He has a name and fame I do not have. So competitive nature occurs, arises in us. So actually, as we understand more about life, we feel little bit different about life. Means actually there are 9 stages of life. As you are, if you think about adulthood has 3 stages. Before 22 to 34 is a one stage, in which in that particular stage you feel I can do this, I can do that, I can open my own business, I can get this job, I can get that job, I can do something different in my life. Means you have a tremendous enthusiasm, tremendous power, your body is also fit, and you feel I am a very powerful if you are so much positive. And when you are getting 34 and means middle of adulthood, 34 35 to 44, you live calm life because you came to know whatever I achieved, it is sufficient. Now I have to live my life calmly. If okay, then after 45 means 44, 50, 45 to 65, then you just live the life and you think about your son and daughter and your wife and your family and your all these things. Okay, and after 65 when you become old, you think, you don't think about property, money, all these things. You think, yeah, now I'm older, I'm getting old, I can't walk, I can't run, I do not have fitness, I can't speak properly, I do not remember anything, I do not remember, I forget lot of things. So you have a different kind of feeling. After all, life is nothing but the matter of feeling, matter of your thoughts. So, and actually in life, what will we do? Just to live the life. Just to live the life. It's a fake competition, how occurred among us. Okay, but we have to do it. It is important. Would you have any point about it?
Yes, sir, I am completely agree with you. That we should live our life by, we should not think about the things. We should live our life happily and the at best way. And 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 I would like to also mention a point that in the adulthood there is so many tension. There are so many tension. Means that that means someone will means someone is there, my friend is there, he's so rich, I am so I'm so poor. He had a car, he had 5 lakh car, but I only had 50 lakh bike. Means five only 5,000 50,000 bike. Then we are getting so confused, and that's why by the depression will suicide. But we should not do that, because the positive things are the positive things. We should think about positive, because to make the life best, we don't need adulthood, childhood, or if we are old at oldhood. We only need a positive thinking attitude, or a good thinking and attitude. Then we can, if we always be positive, that means, example, that a song is there and I am studying. A person is playing the radio and I am studying. then I can then if I'm child, I will, if that I took negative, then the negative thinking will come, then I will, that my concentration will not in the study. But if I take that it positive, I think that it is a song, I can enjoy it and I can enjoy my study, then I can take the positive thinking, then I can do all the things in my life. By the positive thinking we can do all the things.
Yes, sir, I'm totally agree with you. And in the age of teenagers, if they committed any mistake, they do not mind their mistake, and they just ignore that and start getting up again. And but the adulthood, they are minded that mistake. They mind that mistake and commit suicide. It's we look if we look the adulthood, they take always tension. They if they have some problem in life, they always think about that. They do not ignore it, and because of taking so much tension, they commit suicide.
You conclude it.
Conclude. Okay, so I am going to conclude this JD. So as per my thinking, that we should not so we should not compare that adulthood, childhood or teenagehood, because we want to go from at all the hoods. We should not compare that teenagehood is good or adulthood is. If we are positive, all is good. If we are negative, means nothing is good.
You have very nice conclusion. You
Okay.
spoke very nice to us.
Okay, after overall discussion, I would like to conclude that each and every step of the life is the important. In the childhood, we are enjoying the life. In the teenage, we are learning something, and in the adulthood, we are taking some responsibility. If we are the positive, we are living the life positively, and if he is negative, then negative will happen.
As I think we are nothing but the small particle on this earth. We are nothing. And as nature has nature has sent us on this earth. For what purpose? We have to enjoy the life. We have to achieve something. Whatever we achieve, enjoy that achievement. Don't be egoist. I achieved. Because you are not a alone person on this earth. So many people are here on this earth who tried to do something different and they died, and they disappeared from, they do not have name and fame. So after our death, nothing is there in the life. So whatever work we are doing, we have to enjoy the work. If you are studying, enjoy your study. If you are working any company, any faculty, any field, you enjoy your work. You are playing game, enjoy your game. You are discussing here, enjoy your discussion. You, as a player, you play the life. Life is game, play it. Somebody say. Shakespeare said one statement: "Word is stage, life is drama, we are actor, and nature is director." So we got a different role in the life, different responsibilities in the life. So don't take it seriously, negatively. Don't come in frustration. Don't bring despairness. Just live. Just live. Just enjoy. Enjoy your work. And that is the conclusion. There may be any stage of life. There may be childhood, there may be teenage, there may be adulthood, there may be old age. It's a fact. You are going through all the stages. Not issue at all. Everybody will go through all stages. No one is here on the earth who does not go from these all stages. So it's a fact of life. It's a reality of life. So why are you taking tension over it? It's a matter. It's a reality. We have to enjoy it. What do you think?
Yes, we should always positive and be happy and enjoy the life in every moment.